Hey guys, Ali here from mattressreviews.com.au, coming in hot with a review of the popular Sleeping Duck Mach 2 mattress. This review is part of a series where I'm going to be trialing and testing a range of popular mattresses to help make the decision of buying an online mattress easier. Okay, let's get into reviewing the SD Mach 2. I'm going to be talking about what makes up the Sleeping Duck, how it feels to sleep on, who it's good for, and a whole bunch of other things to help you decide if it's the right mattress for you. We have to say, we were pretty impressed with how the mattress performed in their steamroller test. But we really wanted to know what the point of the whole marketing campaign was, especially when you consider how the mattress only holds 280 kilos. Also, side note, if you have access to a steamroller, send us a message and we'll be happy to bring our range of reviewed mattresses over for a test. Okay, so let's unbox. I've got a trusty friend here to help me unbox it because the Queen mattress is actually 48 kilos. So unless you're extremely strong, it's much safer to have a friend help you unbox it. For comparison, the Akosa Queen is 35 kilos and the Koala Queen is 35.5 kilos. This is how it looks coming out of the box. I chose the medium mattress. Once you roll it out, it's best to wait a few hours for it to fully decompress before you sleep on it. Some reviews suggest waiting overnight for it to decompress, but it's entirely up to you. So let's talk construction. The Sleeping Duck Mach 2 starts with a BreatheTech cover made from bamboo fabric, which has been specifically designed for breathability and comfort. This cover is also removable and washable and is an important part of the SD mattress customization process. The BreatheTech cover sits over an anti-gravity surface foam and component adapt customization layer underneath. The component adapt layer controls the firmness of the mattress, which is the layer that can be altered to suit your firmness preferences. These two comfort layers sit over a multi-zoned pocket spring system, dubbed the motherboard, which can accommodate people of all body shapes and sizes. What's super cool about the Sleeping Duck mattress is its incredible level of customization, allowing you to choose the exact firmness level of the mattress that suits you and your partner. When you first place an order, you can choose between firm or medium. Also on the initial order, you can choose half-half, so firm one side, medium on the other. If after 21 days you aren't completely happy with your initial choice, you can request from Sleeping Duck, at no extra charge, additional foam pieces to alter the firmness of your mattress. The additional foam pieces can be soft, medium, firm, or extra firm. You can see it bounces back fairly quickly when I press down. Medium is recommended by Sleeping Duck for side sleepers or front sleepers, while firm is recommended for back sleepers or for those with back problems. What's better than my hand is the bowling ball of truth here, which I'm going to let settle on the mattress. This is how the medium bounces back after you place an 8 kilo bowling ball on top. Okay, so what does it feel like to lie on top of the SD Mach 2? The medium is about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale. A mattress that's 1 out of 10 would be the softest mattress in the world, and one that scores a 10 out of 10 would be the firmest. For reference, a score of 6.5 is widely regarded as the industry standard for medium firmness. When comparing it to the Koala and Akosa, I'd say it's quite a lot softer. Who will like the medium arrangement best? I'd say side sleepers will want to keep it in the medium arrangement because it is the softer setting. For back sleepers, I'd choose the firm. Alright, so what's the sinkage like? Well, the Sleeping Duck will support up to 140 kilos per person or 280 kilos for 2 people, which isn't a lot when you consider some mattresses in a box hold up to 600 kilos. I wouldn't say there's heaps of sinkage on the SD as it's a hybrid and pretty springy. Now onto motion isolation. While hybrid mattresses typically are not as good as preventing motion isolation as traditional foam mattresses, the Sleeping Duck is somewhat different. With a thick foam cushion above the coil system, it blocks some of the movement and makes the mattress less responsive to motion in the bed. Meanwhile, its coils in the pocketed coil system aren't interconnected, which actually reduces motion transfer and makes the mattress more comfortable overall. What about edge support? The Sleeping Duck is a hybrid mattress that combines memory foam with coils to give you stronger edge support, meaning you can expect great support from this mattress. The coils are stronger than foam and can withstand heavier weight, even if you're sitting on the edge. Okay, so who will love the SD Mach 2? What are the pros? You'll love it if you want something highly customizable, including specific firmness settings based on the zone of your bed, if you want minimal partner disturbance, and firmer support of springs. Now, who might not love this mattress? If you're after a budget mattress, the SD Mach 2 might not be for you, as it's definitely a little pricier than other mattresses in a box. Also, another con is that it requires Sleeping Duck to send you additional parts to change the mattress settings, beyond the medium and firm that you can choose from the beginning. And it's not as easy changing it yourself. Alright, how durable is a Sleeping Duck? How long will it last? With the Sleeping Duck mattress, if you look after it properly, it can last up to 10 years, which is as long as its warranty. To keep it working for you, always rotate the mattress every so often to prevent sag and wear and tear. Reviews from places like Reddit and product reviews suggest side sleepers definitely love the SD Mach 2 the most, and most reviews suggest it only takes a few days to adjust to the mattress. People with back problems also love the SD Mach 2. Overall, Sleeping Duck is also heavily praised for its good customer service. On the other hand, common complaints about the SD Mach 2 was that it retained heat and did sag a little bit, but otherwise it's certainly a popular mattress in a box. Finally, here's everything else you need to know. The mattress type is a hybrid. It ships from Australia. The fastest delivery date is next day for metro areas. Warranty period is 10 years. The trial period is 100 nights, and the recommended retail price is $1,649 for queen. Alright, so that's my review of the Sleeping Duck Mach 2 mattress. If you have any more questions, feel free to get in touch or leave a comment on this video. We'll catch you next time.